Welcome to your roadmap to earning $1,000 per month through freelancing. Let's break it down step by step. First, skill selection. Identify a marketable skill that interests you, such as graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. Research demand and choose a niche with growth potential. Next, the learning phase. Invest time in online courses, tutorials, and practice. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer valuable resources. Create a portfolio showcasing your work, even if it's just practice projects. Now let's move to profile creation. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Optimize your profile with a professional photo, a compelling bio, and samples of your work. Highlight your skills and experience to attract clients. Client acquisition is crucial. Start by bidding on small projects to build your reputation. Use social media and networking to connect with potential clients. Offer your services at competitive rates initially to gain traction. As you gain experience and positive reviews, gradually increase your prices. Track your progress with income charts and milestone markers, set monthly goals, and celebrate your achievements. Reinvestment is key. Use a portion of your earnings to upgrade your skills or tools. Consider investing in a website or marketing to attract more clients. Finally, scaling strategies. Once you have a steady income, think about outsourcing tasks or collaborating with other freelancers. This allows you to take on more projects without sacrificing quality. Remember, consistency and dedication are essential. With this roadmap, you're on your way to achieving that $1,000 monthly goal. Good luck on your freelancing journey.